NECK Industrial Group is one of the largest manufacturers of copper sulfate in the world. The company is a leader in the production of feed-grade copper sulfate with specified parameters of chemical purity and grain size. And it is the only producer of feed-grade copper sulfate in Russia that meets all requirements of international safety and quality standards. Over 2/3 of the product is exported. Its quality and safety are confirmed by certificates. For the last 5 years, the NECK plant has tripled the amount of overseas supply. Today, the company produces over 1/3 of all Russian exports of copper sulfate. The achievements of the company in the Russian and international market have been awarded prestigious regional and national prizes. Over 300 employees work at the plant. Every month they produce more than 3,000 tons of products. The production process at the plant has 3 main stages. Copper cable enters the raw material preparation shop. The wire is processed on automated lines. Then it is crushed and copper is separated from insulation material. The purest chopped copper of highest quality and specified grain size is produced. Wires without insulation are stacked on special presses. Then stacks and chopped copper are brought to the smelting shop. Here in the powerful rotor facility, copper undergoes a full cycle of refining and is converted into molten metal of the specified chemical composition used for production of the copper grain. After inspection for harmful impurities, the copper grain is brought to the chemical production shop. At the final stage, the copper grain is transferred into the solution and filtered in several stages. The solution is separated from impurities and a pure production solution is produced. Then it crystallizes in special equipment and is fed to a centrifuge, where copper sulfate crystals are finally separated from the solution. The material is then dried and the semi-finished product, or high-quality copper sulfate, is produced. Checking against customer specifications and mixing with anti-caking agent finish the production process for the copper sulfate. The final product is then packed in containers as specified by the customer. All types of packaging are certified in accordance with the requirements of international and national regulations on transportation of dangerous cargoes. At all stages of the production process, the Technical Control Department and the plant laboratory sample and analyze raw materials, semi-finished products and final products in order to control the quality of the products in accordance with the requirements of HASP and FAMI-QS international safety systems, including inspection of heavy metal and dioxin weight content. Advanced laboratory equipment is highly sensitive and can detect metals and non-metals in parts per million. Today, NECK Industrial Group produces 3 main types of products. Copper sulfate of feed grade is a priority product for NECK. It is used as an ingredient in the feed mineral and vitamin mixes, concentrates and premixes for cattle breeding, poultry and fish industries. Copper salt for galvanical and chemical processes. Technical grade copper sulfate for enriching processes during flotation, as well as a fungicide in production of plant protection products in agriculture. From the warehouse, the final product is shipped by different transportation modes and methods. By covered railroad cars, by 20-foot sea containers and on motor transport. At the moment, the products of the NECK Industrial Group are exported to 68 countries, including most EU countries, North and South America, Australia, Africa and Southeast Asia.